Hi everyone, I'm so excited about today's video. So I bought the new Dyson Airwrap and I still have my older one. Ooh, I'm hitting my laptop. So this is my old, it's not that old, but this is the original Dyson Airwrap, and I've been using this for a very long time. It's the greatest invention ever, and I had like a love-hate relationship with this at the beginning, because at first when I started using it, it didn't really work for me, and it was because I didn't know how to use it. And when I finally decided to just really push through and like practice and learn how to use it, I just fell in love with it, and I never went back. I haven't been using any like straightener or curling iron for like a year or maybe longer. Yeah, zero. Just like, this is my favorite styling tool, and I love it. I take it everywhere with me. As you can see, I'm still in my tiny LA Airbnb because we are trying to move, so we are looking for apartments. We are still apartment hunting. And again, I brought my Dyson Airwrap here, and here's the new Dyson Airwrap. So this is the blow dryer attachment. Here, they look pretty much the same. They feel the same. This one's not lighter. Yeah, I want to say they're lighter. So here you get the matte pink and then the metallic silver, and on the new one it's the opposite. So you get the metallic silver here in accents and matte pink here. And this is the new flyaway blow dryer attachment, and this is the older one, which I personally love. Like, it's great. So you know, they decided to basically connect their flyaway attachment with a blow dryer, and this is what they came up with. I'm curious to test it out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna love it, because I do like that this is, you know, like a regular blow dryer attachment, and it's very powerful. So I'm not sure like if I'm gonna be that crazy about this one. And again, it's the same settings here: cold, medium, and high heat, and low, medium, and high setting. So this is pretty much the same thing. It seems like the same device, but apparently this is supposed to be much more powerful. And of course it comes with all the new attachments, so I'm excited about it. Okay, and the biggest differences with the attachments. So these are the old curling attachments, and this is the new one. It comes with a wand, because you can just flip this here, and you can work on the other side of your hair, which is great. So you don't have to, you know, take it off, put the new one on. And also, if you're traveling, you just bring this instead of two, which is really convenient. And not to mention, I could buy the long attachments instead of buying the small ones and then buying this additionally, because that was, I don't remember how much I paid for it. I think 25 or 50, maybe $30, something like that. It was less than $50, so it wasn't too expensive. But still, like, if you're spending, you know, $600 on the Dyson, and then you have to pay additional like 30, 50 for attachments, like, I just want to, you know, I just want this one. That's all I need. Hair straightening attachments. So this one's for like more fine hair. This one was for the more thick hair. I didn't bring the one with the pink dots for fine hair from home, so I only have this one to show. But yeah, the main difference is that you don't get this middle part here. You just get the two sides, and they all move. And that's pretty much it. It just looks different, mostly like more modern. Yeah, this is the old one, this is the new one. I wouldn't say it's very different, but I guess there's definitely more airflow on this one. You can tell that the gaps are bigger here, yeah, than here. I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah. So it's probably a better airflow design. So hopefully it's gonna take a lot less time to blow dry your hair, which would be great. Okay, I moved because I didn't have enough plugs over there, so now I'm here. And I'm gonna spray my hair with this Aveda heat protecting spray, and then I'm gonna apply this living proof 5-in-1 styling cream and this Aveda damage remedy. Okay, so first impressions. This one seems slightly quieter than this one. And what we both noticed, my husband and I, that this one seems more efficient. And we don't know if it's because it's slightly maybe powerful, but quite honestly, I think it's just the design of this. And you can actually change. So here right now, you have that opening and it's blowing a lot of air, which is nice. But you can also change that to be coming out of this. So it's gonna be the flyaway attachment. I thought I would hate it, and quite honestly, I kind of love it, because if I just want to make my hair more sleek, I'm gonna use the other setting here. And if I just want to blow dry my hair, I'm gonna use this. So yeah, and I thought maybe it's gonna have less power because it's like smaller, like opening, but it's not actually smaller. It gives you the illusion because it's coming out of these little holes. So technically this one is bigger. Okay, flyaway attachment. Let's see if it's gonna get rid of this. It actually worked. I mean, look at this. This is so sleek, and I didn't use the hair straightening attachment. Okay, it's time to test this one. The holes in between where that part moves, they are bigger. So there is definitely a lot more airflow. I can tell even without testing it yet. I can tell that this is just a very different design. So we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna part my hair. Okay, so I personally prefer this attachment over this one because it helps to like straighten my hair a lot more. So I'm gonna test this one now, and it also comes with this one, but I never really liked it. I wish it was just like much bigger. The new attachment is better, even though like it feels like it's like there is not that much difference. Like I don't know why, but it's just like it's definitely working better. Like I said, it's probably the airflow. My hair feels so good, so soft. Okay, so I think for this video, I'm just gonna try out the regular straightening attachment, and because my hair is pretty much dry now, I'm not gonna be testing out this one yet, but that's another video, so coming up soon. I'm very excited. I really want to test it out, but this attachment is insane. I love this one. Really nicely improved. The same when it comes to this one. Even though it looks pretty much the same, it allows for a much better airflow, and it's much easier to use, and it takes a lot less time. This one is not my favorite, but I know that a lot of people love it, especially people with fine hair. I mean, I'm one of them, but I still prefer the other attachment. This one's definitely quieter. Yeah, this one is still amazing. So like if you have this one and you don't really care for like this attachment or you know, this one, like there's no reason to upgrade really, because the original Dyson is still an amazing device. But if you needed your Dyson to be improved, this is definitely an improvement, and it does really work amazingly. So yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna be testing out this attachment as well as this one, so stay tuned. I'm very excited. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.